Okay guys, today I'm going to tell you how we can use our PC from Android smartphone or any iPhone, and it's very easy. And to do that, you just search for allow remote assistance invitations to be sent from this. Click here and check this box, allow remote assistance connections to this computer, and check this box, allow remote connections to this computer, and hit apply. And then to connect to your PC, you're gonna need your PC's name or IP address. If you want to know your PC's name, you go to your properties of your computer, and you can see here your computer name. And to see the IP address, you just hit Windows R button and type here CMD, and type again IP config, and here you can see that wireless LAN adapter wireless network connection, and here's your IP address, IPv4 address. You can write it down somewhere. And now we're gonna install the application on our phone in order to connect with our PC. Okay, now we are going to install the application. We need to connect to our PC. Go to Play Store and search for RD client. Hit on install button. Okay, now we're gonna open this application, remote desktop, accept, and touch here. Click on desktop. You can scan your PC. If it comes up, you can select. Otherwise, you can tap on add manually and type your PC's name or IP address. So I'm going to type my PC's name here, save, and I'm gonna touch it, connect. It's asking the credentials of my PC. I'm gonna add them, and there you go. Hey, you can see I can use my PC on my phone, and you can do whatever you want, control your downloads and your stuff from anywhere sitting in your home. Thanks for watching.